Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at our 2018 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. This boat is equipped with the light blue hull sides, the white Boston Whaler logo. It does come equipped with the galvanized trailer. We've optioned this boat with the black sun top. You have a full width bench seat with 2 cup holders. Nice clean finished fiberglass look. Anchor locker up in the bow. Low profile stainless steel grab handles. You also have a stainless steel steering wheel at the helm. Your dash applique. For power, we've set this boat up with the Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke. That's a quick look at the 2018 130 Super Sport. If you'd like any more information about this boat or the other whalers we have in stock, feel free to ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.